Welcome. If you want to connect Huawei FreeBuds Pro to AI Live application on your Android smartphone, and first we have to move to our browser and we have to download App Gallery from the APK Pure website, because when you try to find this application on the Play Store, you can find it, but the version of the application is not up to date. So we have to get it straight from the App Gallery. So type here App Gallery APK, and we have to move right here for the apkpure.com, then click to download APK, click right here to download, and then click download another time. As you can see right now it's finished, so we can easily open by tapping on the open button, then click install. Right now we can open App Gallery, then click allow, click next, accept all the stuff that pops on the screen, and right now we are here, so we can find application name AI Live. We can find it also from this quick list, and we have to get this application AI Live, so let's install. As you can see, download is finished. We have to click to the settings, and then we have to accept to install unknown apps from the source. Click install for AI Live application. Then we can open. Click right here, tap next. And right now we have to click right here to add our device, click enable, turn on location by tapping on the switcher, then just go back and move back to the application. And right now we have to open charging case of our FreeBuds Pro. And as you can see, right now they appear on the list, so we have to click to connect. Let's click to pair and connect. Accept pair. It was the notification from the Bluetooth, and as you can see right now they are connected. So to manage this device we have to click on it, and here we can, for example, update our firmware. I'm going to do this later. We can also check noise control or go for the tip fit test or wear detection. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!